Just imagine what might be possible.
The Earth today is at a global tipping point. The meat industry is responsible for a large amount of greenhouse gas emissions. Larger demand for meat also means larger demand for pastures to raise the meat. All of those come at the expense of tropical forest land. Reducing meat consumption is really something we have to do if we want to protect ourselves from these emerging environmental challenges.
Scientists around the world, including myself, had succeeded in growing human tissue for medical research. It's called tissue engineering. One of my students asked if we could also try to grow tissue from cattle. We thought that if we could grow cultured beef, it might have far-reaching positive impacts. And that was a trigger for the new direction.
The idea is to take cells and grow them on 3D scaffold. So the cell attached to the scaffold, they fill the pores of the scaffold, they grow, differentiate, and assemble into the tissue. And based on this technology that we developed in the lab, we established AlephFarms.
So far, this work has created a thin-cut steak and developed the technology to make the world's first cultured ribeye steak.
Growing meat like this is really fast. We take just 3 weeks, compared with an average of 2 years using conventional methods of growing meat. And it uses a fraction of the resources required for raising an entire animal.
When we reach the market, cultured meat will grow in large and clean facilities with tanks, which will look similar to breweries or to dairy facilities with much less resources than the meat we know today.
Just imagine what might be possible.